Yay! All right. So, what was your favorite part of the workshop?
Overall, all of it. I've been to like a lot of mindfulness like workshops that, in a sense, follow like that same idea, like mindfulness and taking deep breaths. But like this one was actually fun and kept you interested. Like the others, usually they give you the basics, but they don't make it fun and make it want you to practice it outside of the workshop. But this one like is something that I actually want to tell people about. Be like, oh my god, you have to do this.
What was your favorite exercise?
I think the inner child one. That one got me deep. I started crying like when I was.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love hugging myself. It's such a good
I love
exercise.
that. Overall, just 10 out of 10.
I love it. And if you had to convince someone to come, what would you tell them?
I don't even think I'd have to convince them. I would just tell them to do it. Like, there's no reason you shouldn't. Like I said, it's interactive. It's super fun, and it actually makes you want to practice that stuff outside and not just in the classroom, but overall.
And is there something you want to take back to your classroom?
I think all of it. Not just for like the kids and the teachers, but overall, like the entire center definitely needs to get more in touch with their inner children and just realize that you can have fun while still working.
I love it. Thank you so much.